And be like, hold up. Okay, I gotta ask. Is that all you? You better not say it's a wig. Don't you say it's a wig. Yes, this is all me. Because guess what, baby? You bought it. What's up, everyone? It's me, Lynn. Thank you so much for tuning in to another review. Here we are. Let's get into it. But before we start, a couple of things to get out the way. Your girl's nails is on Struggle Street. I have not repainted them since vacation. They are chipped and need some TLC. But we're going to make it do what it do. Second, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, let's get into our new booze, honey. You see the orange box. Xrsbeauty, y'all already know. Y'all already know. Not even installed yet. If you don't, go ahead and come through Xrsbeauty. It's a good cap fit. It's snug, and you know, I don't know. I think I'm leaning more towards having a little bit more room in my units. You can kind of finesse the hairline, pull it down where you need to, but you know, it's okay. And the hair is nice and full. Oh my God, I am loving this. Listen. Oh my God. And my hands are actually kind of gliding through it. And you could definitely like just spruce this up straight out of the pack. You know, you really don't even need to wash this. Put some styler in it and you would be good to go. Okay. Okay, Xrsbeauty. Oh.
Girl with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam.
Y'all, listen. I had to stop the press for a minute because, listen, this is not even glued down. This is not, I repeat, this is not glued down.
Tell me now, tell me something. Cause I don't know how it's going. And then you wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Tell me now, tell me something. Cause I don't wanna be just a friend. Like me. No, you're not shine bright like royalty. I'm sticky, but then you're gonna take me out. That can make you do the craziest thing. You wait on me to solve it. Solve it, solve it. Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
to Xrsbeauty once again for sending out the unit. This is their Water Wave 13x6 lace front wig. This is a new clear lace, clean hairline, undetectable skin melt lace unit. I do have this in 16 inches, 200% density in a natural color. Now this unit is more on the expensive side, sis, okay, but hold on, let me tell you why you need to grab your coins. Now they are offering 15% off with the code that you see on the screen. It will also be in the description box down below as well. And what I absolutely love about a lot of these wig companies, they are offering Klarna and Sezzle. So for Xrsbeauty, they are offering Klarna, and you can do 4 interest-free payments of $86.50, baby. Swipe the card. If you are not familiar with Xrsbeauty units, they do have this undetectable lace that has been in the YouTube streets, and baby, let me tell you, this lace right here is definitely leading the game. So they were kind enough to send me 2 examples so you can see the difference with the clear lace and the traditional lace. Now usually with the traditional lace, you are going to be a little bit clackable-ish. Okay, it's gonna give scalp-ish, baby. Okay, usually it is gonna be a little bit more on the lighter side, especially when it's transparent lace. And if you are a dark-skinned woman, of course, you know that is going to be an issue as far as tinting the lace and getting it to blend with your skin tone. Now this clear lace, I don't know what kind of magician they got in the lace department, but baby, they have delivered every single time. Now listen, they pluck the ever-living F out of their units, and for that reason I did decide to cut it on the mannequin head. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes it's hard for me to see the grooves, okay? But cutting it on the mannequin head definitely brings this together. I also appreciate the fact that they do consider low hairlines. So I did actually have to go in and cut a little bit more of the lace off in the front. They do accommodate widow's peaks, so that is definitely plus, baby. And especially under these lights, honey, they will tell all your business. Yeah, they did take the liberty to go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit as well, so they took care of that, and the knots are super small. I don't even have anything in this parting space, and I think it still looks good. I debated on putting a little bit of the even lace tint spray just along the parting space, but I'm actually okay with this looking kind of natural, kind of looking like there is a part, but there isn't. You know, it looks more how curly hair behaves. And of course, speaking of curly hair, I kept everything nice and simple with this installation. I did not use a lot of hair products to style this hair. Actually, when you brush this out, wet it, the curls just pop right back into place. But I did want to get kind of that curly Q kind of ringlet style with some of the curls in this unit, so I did go in with Herbal Essences Hello Hydration conditioner. I sprayed a couple of pumps into a spray bottle with some water, and let me tell you, this right here, if you are heavy-handed, this is the conditioner you need. It does not leave a white cast off, and it definitely melts right into the hair. You know, it did kind of give me a little bit of a crunchy cast, but I was able to just kind of break that up, soften it with my pick. I really wanted this to look like black girl hair goals, baby, and I think we delivered. You know, this is definitely giving me, like, you know, somebody might walk up on you and be like, hold up, okay, I gotta ask, is that all you? And what you gonna say, boo? You better not say it's a wig. Don't you say it's a wig. Yes, this is all me, because with these units, I prefer to do some really wispy baby hairs. I don't like it all the way straight back. It can kind of give you kind of like a receding hairline, if you will. So I did decide to, you know, do some subtle swoopity swoops. As you see, I didn't do anything too drastic. I don't do a lot of baby hairs on this channel. We got beef. we don't get along. Yeah, so I did keep it nice and subtle, and guess what? I don't even have this ear tab glued down. Hello. So you know, you definitely can wear this glueless if you keep the baby hairs nice and wispy. For me, I definitely wanted to glue it down just to, you know, get that seamless look, baby. Because guess what, baby? You bought it. Yeah, so I'm definitely sold. I think the unit came out beautiful. I really don't know what else to tell you but to go ahead and cop her now. So big thank you to Xrsbeauty for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, thank you to all of you for tuning in. Interested in any of the items that I use, definitely hit up the description box down below. The dress is by Target. I will try to find a link and have it down below. And the earrings, I freaking forgot where I bought these, but I will try to have everything listed down below, as well as the makeup, the beat face, everything. I got you down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning in. Don't forget to sub to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Tell me now, tell me now.